Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to walk around and show you this 2014 Chevrolet Silverado we have for sale. It's a two-wheel drive, 6.0 gas engine. It's got a 9-foot RKI surface body with a 3,200 pound Liftmore crane. It's got 143,000 miles on it. It's a Texas truck with no rust. It's really nice. I'm going to walk around and show it to you. Runs out and drives good. AC blows cold. I'm going to work the crane. I'm just going to show you the basic functions on it, that everything works. It's hooked up there, so let's go clockwise, counterclockwise, winch down, extension out, extension in. Down, winch up, like I said, just showing you the basic functions, that it works like it should. It obviously moves around a lot more than that. The gas air compressor works. I went to start it a while ago to test it, and it started and then stopped. So I'm not sure if it's out of gas or what happened to it, but it does work. It will work when you get the truck. $143,776 on the miles. Radio works, air works. All right, if you are interested in this truck, give me a call, 256-310-6852. You can call or text. If you're looking out of state and you want to have this truck shipped, I can ship it straight to your door. You're going to be looking around $1.50 to $1.75 a mile. If you decide to go that route, just know that we are a dispatcher. So what that means is we post it on our dispatch board and we wait for somebody to call and say, hey, I see you got this truck going to Louisiana or Maine or Florida, California, wherever you're at. We want to take it for you. I don't have someone just sitting here at the ready to leave out as soon as you pay. Normally, you'll have the truck in 3 to 7 days. If you're out in the middle of nowhere, sometimes it can take a little longer. And sometimes we post them and people pick them up right away. But just know that normally 3 to 7 days you'll have the truck. If you're one of these guys, you got to know the exact second someone's going to leave with it, the exact second they're going to arrive with it. The only way to know that is to come pick it up yourself. You're welcome to do that. We're open Monday through Friday, 7 to 4 only. We're not open on the weekends at all. And when you come, you got to bring a cashier's check, do a wire transfer, or bring cash. I can't take a check on your name or your business name. It has to be a certified bank check. Trying to think. I guess that's about it. If you're interested, give me a call. This is a nice little truck, drives good. Make somebody a nice one. All right, thanks for watching. Again, you can call or text 256-310-6852. Thanks.